US30 and US100 gave a very strong bullish breakout yesterday along with the interest rate decision, and specifically the Fed chair's comments about the further interest rate hikes spooked the markets, and both gave a bullish breakout. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. And yes, the next update on these two will be up before the US cash session. So do watch it also. Let's start the day with US 100 first. US 100 on the hourly chart, just consolidating here, getting the support here at 12,530. Below that, yes, you can stay short for 12,480 and 12,450. Below that, it is going to draw for 12,400. The next support levels on the downside is at around 12,400 now, only breaking which one can expect that it is going to remain bearish, else it may bounce back. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover on the hourly charts, and this is a bearish crossover. The RSI is overbought here, and hence this cool down is what we can see. If you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, after this strong bullish move towards 12,660 forming the double top, it is again retraced back. Look at this. This is the now if you look at these two candles, higher highs, the pivot here at almost at around 12,570, lower low, the support there at 12,520 should come into picture. Below that, you can expect 12,580 and then 12,450, 400 levels. Be watchful of 12,400 today. We can see a good support at around 12,400, 380. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is looking for a drop. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see these two candles, lower highs, higher lows, and yes, if it breaks beyond 12,550, you can go long, and then you can expect a little rise for 12,600, and beyond that, definitely 12,660 levels should get achieved. Beyond that, it will fly high towards 12,800 levels. Directional movement bullish there. Stochastic is again looking downwards on the 3-hour charts. MACD wide divergent bullish. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see it is trying to give a reversal, but be watchful. I'll be watchful of the next candle. If it drops below 12,520, then you can go short. Below 12,520, you can expect it to come back to 12,480 and 12,450. In fact, it can try to achieve 12,400 levels. Be watchful there. Below that, 12,350 is the good support. On the upside, breaking beyond 12,600, definitely you can expect a good move till towards 12,660 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. Now looking downwards, the MACD has just crossed over. This is just 3 candles apart, and it is still wide divergent and bullish. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, the candle is yet to take a shape. 200 days moving average giving it a resistance at around 12,570, 580 levels, breaking beyond which you can expect a good bullish move. See, it has formed a double top almost at 12,660, 670 zone, and now we will see how it behaves. See, what we can expect probably is a symmetry here, and when we call it a symmetry, we can expect it to give it a similar candle or a lower highs and lower lows is what we can expect. Not lower lows, but the lows from the opening out there we can be seen. So this is what something I'll expect. It can come back to 400. It can go back till towards 12,626, 12,650 and trade sideways. So this is a probability on NASDAQ 100. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is again looking upward. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this, only long entry I'll recommend is about 12,580. Beyond that, you can expect 12,600 and 12,650. 12,670. These levels 12,670 you should watch out for. Beyond that, it is definitely going to fly further towards 12,800 levels. On the downside, if it breaks below 12,480, you can go short and then expect it to drop for 12,450, 400 and then 350. So possibly we can see a little swing. Lower highs from yesterday can be expected, and lower highs and a moderate move can be expected till towards 12,400. Larger trading zone appears to be between 12,400 to 12,650. Take your positions accordingly, and yes, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at US30. Resistance there at 32,200 now. It tried to break out once, but again falling back within this zone. 32,200, 220 you should watch out for. Beyond that, definitely a strong bullish move can be expected again. Trying to give higher lows. Be watchful here at 32,130. Beyond 32,130 you can go short again. So in between 32,130 and 32,220 do not trade. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is again looking upwards. MACD is bullish here, trying to converge a bit. RSI is near to overbought levels. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, it is again getting the resistance, flat resistance at 32,180. On the downside, it is getting the support at 32,130. So be watchful here at 32,130 levels. Rather, I'll say 32,120. Go short at 32,120. Go long at 32,220 there. In between these 100 points, do not trade for the day. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is flat near to top, MACD is wide divergent and bullish, it must start to converge, RSI is near to overbought levels also. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, it appears we may see it coming to 32,100, 120 zone. Be watchful here. 32,100 should provide a support. Below that only we can expect 32,040, 32,000 and then 31,950 levels should come into picture. On the upside, breaking beyond 32,200 is only something I'll recommend you to go long. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is willing to converge crossover for a sell. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, RSI is near to overbought levels. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, higher lows trying to rise again. Be watchful there at 32,200, 220. If it breaks beyond this, yes, you can expect a little bullish move. So it is right now not willing to rise, it appears. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD has just crossed over and it is 3 candles apart and it is bullish and it is in green. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see, this is the first candle after the consolidation breakout, and see, after this breakout also it is left a strong, you can see the upper body out there or the upper wick out there. So probably once you see it trading about 32,200, you can go long for 32,300 and then you know it is going to hit probably 32,400 levels, which is the stronger resistance. This is the top of the Bollinger Band. This is a pivot number also. So yes, staying long about 32,200, 220 is a fairly good suggestion out there. You can stay long about 32,200. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, RSI near to top. Considering this, go long at 32,200, go short at 32,100. In between these 100 points, do not trade between 32,100 and 200. On the upside, it is going to get the resistance at 32,300, 32,350 and 32,400 levels. 32,400 very strong resistance lies there, and beyond that it is going to fly. On the downside, 32,040, 050 should provide a stronger resistance, and on the downside it may try to in fact achieve 31,950 and 900. 31,900, be watchful of that, very strong support lies there. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to join and don't miss to join my next mentorship batch. This is the 13th batch. It is starting on 8th of August. 90 minutes daily, 15 days, multiple practice sessions, multiple strategies for you to make profit, and a lifetime support is what you get. And also you can join my VIP signal group. If you are interested, reach out to me or contact me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.